Welcome to this technical guide on the Acer 5490. We are Kelatos Informatica, specialists in technical repair. We collect your device from your doorstep, carry out a free diagnosis, and send you a quote before any repair. No phone calls, no trips to the shop. We are based at Calle Joaquín María López 26, Madrid. Convenient, transparent and professional. Link in the description. If your Acer 5490 can't hold a charge and dies within minutes of unplugging, you're not alone. This is a common issue often caused by a worn-out battery. If left unfixed, it could severely limit your device's usability, making it almost impossible to work or enjoy your favorite media without being tethered to a power source. Now, let's gather our tools for this repair. You will need a small Phillips screwdriver, a plastic opening tool, a pair of tweezers, and of course, a new battery compatible with your Acer 5490. First, ensure your laptop is turned off and unplugged from any power source. Start by flipping the device over and removing the screws securing the back panel. Be sure to keep these screws in a safe place as you will need them later. With the screws removed, carefully use your plastic opening tool to pry off the back panel. Take your time with this step to avoid damaging the clips that hold the panel in place. Once the back panel is off, locate the battery. It should be easy to identify as it's the largest component in the compartment. Next, disconnect the battery from the motherboard. Gently lift the connector using your tweezers, ensuring not to pull on any nearby wires. After disconnecting, you can remove the screws holding the battery in place. These screws can vary in size, so remember which ones go where. Once you have removed the screws, carefully lift the battery out. When inserting the new battery, ensure it is aligned correctly. Replace the screws to secure it in place and reconnect the battery to the motherboard, making sure the connection is firm but gentle. If at this point you feel it's getting too tricky, remember that at Kelatos we collect your device from your door and return it fully repaired. Now, carefully replace the back panel by aligning it properly and pressing down until you hear the clips click back into place. Reinsert the screws to secure the back panel, and your repair is complete. To ensure your device works properly, turn it back on and check the battery status in the operating system settings. You should see an improvement in battery life. To prevent this issue from occurring again, it's advisable to avoid letting your battery drain completely on a regular basis. Instead, try to recharge it when it gets low. Additionally, consider keeping your device updated to ensure optimal performance. If you'd rather not risk damaging your device, at Kelatos we collect, repair and deliver back to your door anywhere in the UK. Link in the description.